3D printable prostheses are changing the face of medicine, as engineers and physicians are able to develop prostheses that are fully customizable to the wearer.
People are able to do their activities of daily living. So somebody can use his hand, they could write, then they could also probably have their own food. A barber is able to hold a comb in one hand, a scissor in the other hand, get back to his profession. A painter able to climb the ladder and then probably do some painting. Mother able to hold her baby, right? People able to get back to their works in various forms. A student is able to cycle and then complete his education.
The traditional prosthetics would be expensive, heavy, or they would have a printing problem as they wouldn't be of much help.
4 సంవత్సరాల ముందు గతించిన రోడ్డు ప్రమాదంలో నా కుడి చెయ్యి పోగొట్టుకున్నాను. దాంతో నేను చేస్తున్న ఉద్యోగాన్ని పోగొట్టుకున్నాను.
3D printed prosthetics are mainly composed of plastic. The internal structure is called a pylon, and that is composed of lightweight materials such as titanium, aluminium or carbon fiber.
It's customizable and it can be tailored to the person's need. And one more reason is it's faster than the current conventional methods, and it is lightweight compared to the ones we currently use, which is made of silicon. So 3D print can be made hollow, so it is lightweight for the kids and can handle all the needs of a prosthetics.
3D printing is not only used in prosthetics but also in making models and 3D representations to surgeons and doctors. Prosthetics include limbs and arms, which cost from 15,000 rupees to 5 lakh rupees. Many NGOs such as Lions Club and Rotary Club have been providing these prosthetics all over India.
3D printing entering medical sciences, printing of hands and limbs can help millions who are physically challenged. This is Varsha reporting for CityCast.